Hi, this is Rameshwar. I did my engineering in polymer science and technology. Then I chose Imarticus. I did my PGDA course. Now currently I am working in Simple as a data analyst. I have the two reasons. One is my friend recommended this course. Another one, now current scenario, data analyst and machine learning is blooming. This I can combine three into one. One is Imarticus have very good trainer, and they are providing very good placements. That was very excellent because there is some gap between college level and industry level. That gap is filling by Imarticus by their curriculum. Sure, I recommend this course to my colleagues or anyone because industry expecting some standards that Imarticus is providing.